Welcome to JUNG Vilnius seminar room. Here we organize KNX trainings, and also here we demonstrate a lot of smart house functions. There is also a choice of KNX design. I would like to show you one exciting new product. It's a KNX Suitcase. If you visit your clients a lot and tell about the benefits of KNX, with this suitcase you can demonstrate a lot of functionality practically.
Šis lagaminas leidžia daugumą funkcijų parodyti praktiškai.
Here is how it looks. Here you can demonstrate the hotel scenario, the home scenario, or office scenario. Here are exchangeable templates. For example, this is a home template, and various indicators that show the status of different systems. When I select in a touchscreen that this case is being used for house control, it activates the corresponding house logic. This suitcase can be used to demonstrate light control, shading control, heating control, ventilation control, security functions, and also such functions as water or fire alarm. Here we have local control, a room controller which controls the climate, a motion detector for security functions, a radio remote, and a touchscreen. From KNX devices, we have here a DALI gateway, which controls the RGB LEDs installed here, also the shutter actuator, and there is also a switching actuator with current detection function. Also, we have Wi-Fi installed in the suitcase and a Wi-Fi camera connected to it. And we have also the tablet control. Let's pretend that we demonstrate the home scenario. Here we have different indicators and also switches, just like local control at home. I can switch on or off the lights. There is also a dimming function. I can control the shutters. These lamps show either heating or cooling is on, and also I can simulate water or fire alarm. This was individual control. Also we can control according to preset modes or scenes. For example, if there are lights on somewhere in the house and I'm leaving home, I just press one switch. All the lights switch off and the heating and cooling system switches to economy mode. Also, the suitcase can be controlled via a tablet PC. Here we see a status of all the systems. I can control the lights. Here is a dimming. Also I can set the color for RGB LEDs, which are installed in here. I can select a color from palette, and the LEDs will light up to the corresponding color. Here are also central functions, as all lights on. See, the indicators show that all the lights are on, or all lights off. Also central shutter control. Here are electrical sockets connected to a switching actuator with a current detection function. On a vertical screen, I can see the camera. I have the same control. And here I can see the consumption of the device connected to an electrical socket. Also, I see the temperature, the set point temperature, and I see that the cooling mode is on. A very convenient way of showing mobile control. There is a selection of logic in a touchscreen. Either we demonstrate the home scenario, or hotel or office. If we select home, here we have local individual control. I can see what is on, what is off. I can control the shutters. Here are also centralized control settings. For example, which switch is off when I leave. Here we also have time settings, what and when switches on or off. And also here we can activate a so-called presence simulation mode. This way the system will simulate that someone is in the house. It will turn on and off the lights. It will lower or lift up the shutters, and various different functions will simulate that. So here I will stop it. In a touchscreen there are a lot of more functions. There are also scene settings, graphs, and also individual socket control. For example, I can set the settings for consumption. So thank you for watching. For additional information you can contact us or JUNG representatives in your country.
The garden was blessed by the gods of me and you.